Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use beast form in Skyrim. First, ensure you have contracted lycanthropy by joining the companions in Whiterun and completing the Silver Hand quest. Once you become a werewolf, you gain the beast form power, which can be found in your magic menu under Powers. This transformation grants you immense strength and speed, making you a formidable opponent in combat. Remember, you can only transform once per day. To activate beast form, simply select it from your Powers menu and then use your Shout or Power button. Once transformed, your character will become a powerful werewolf, unable to use weapons, spells, or interact with objects. Instead, you'll rely on devastating claw attacks. You'll also notice your health and stamina bars significantly increase, allowing you to withstand more damage and sprint for longer durations. This form is perfect for overwhelming multiple enemies. Beast form offers several advantages, including a significant boost to your health and stamina, making you much tougher in combat. Your unarmed attacks become incredibly potent, dealing 20 points of damage. However, there are limitations. You cannot pick up items, open doors, or engage in dialogue. Also, transforming in front of non-hostile NPCs will result in a bounty of 1,000 gold, so choose your moments wisely. You can extend the duration of your beast form by feeding on the corpses of fallen enemies. Each feeding adds 30 seconds to your transformation time and restores 50 points of health, keeping you in the fight longer. If you wish to transform more than once per day, seek out the Ring of Hircine. This unique artifact grants you the ability to transform an unlimited number of times daily, offering unparalleled flexibility in your lycanthropic adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.